Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube live. This YouTube live is to talk about my plan about uh, doing paid one-on-one coaching for teaching AI. Okay, let me first check whether the live is going on. So it started. Okay, so as I specified, this particular live is to talk about paid one-on-one coaching. A few minutes back, I published this blog post and I shared the link to this blog post in this um, video's description. Okay. Before discussing further, I would like to uh, check the audio quality. And if anyone is listening this live, just to tell about the audio quality, whether it's good or whether I need to increase the volume. It's somewhat okay. Okay. Let me continue this live. Okay. Few hours back, I did another live that was for talking about discount offer for my GenAI webinar. Okay, so I will open that. Few hours back only I did that. Okay, that is an important thing because if you are interested to learn through webinar kind of stuff, that offer will be very useful. So that you can join the webinar, 3 hours webinar, here I few hours, 7 hours ago. Okay. That also I provided the link in the description of that particular video. You can just come to my blog and then click this link, GenAI webinar. Okay. For coming to the blog, you need to search for QPT blog on Google, space blog on Google. Okay, it will be showing my blog. Okay, blog.qualitypointtech.com. You can click that link and it will be coming to this blog site. Okay, blog.qualitypointtech.com. There at the top, I provided the link to the GenAI webinar. Okay. So a few hours back, I did live to explain about the discount offer for this GenAI webinar. This GenAI webinar, I'm going to start on uh, coming Saturday, August 16th, 7:30 p.m. IST, India times 7:30 p.m. evening time, and it will be like 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So people from all over the world can join this specific time. So that is why I selected this particular time. Okay. And it will be for 3 hours around. That is what my plan. Okay. So if you are interested, you can register. Already I provide discounted fees, 500 rupees in India, $25 globally. That means if you make the payment through UPI, then you can pay just 500 rupees. Or if you want to use PayPal, $25. Okay. But if you share the link and if you do it today, you can even join it for just 100 rupees in India. Okay. So it's a huge discount that I already talked about in my previous video. But almost time is going to end, right? Okay. So, but this particular live, this current live is to talk about paid one-on-one coaching. As I specified in this blog post, I created my self-packed AA course with a lot of tutorial videos and many ebooks. As you see here, created this self-packed AA course with more than 8 hours of recorded videos, tutorial videos, covering a lot of topics related to AI and 9 AI related ebooks. That things you can see the list of videos. What are the videos I have included in this course, and what are the ebooks available with this course. Okay, so basically I have included that much information, and I believe it will be useful for beginners learning AI. Okay, but however, while such courses are valuable, interactive or live courses are often even more effective because of that interactive discussions. If there are any clarification that can be easily clarified, and hands-on experience will be very smooth, right? A lot of advantages are there. Suppose if you are stacking in some where like setting up environment or like troubleshooting, that kind of stuff, I can easily guide, right? So in that case, that interactive live courses are much preferable. That is the reason why I started my GenAI webinar. I'm going to do it on Saturday, right? For teaching RAG, LangGraph, MCP, agents like that. Okay. So because that things need some kind of interactive discussions to sort out many things. Okay. But AI is a very big field, right? Very vast field. A single course or webinar cannot effectively teach AI to people with different needs and backgrounds. Okay. Therefore, I have decided to do paid one-on-one coaching. It will be useful to teach AI or any specific topic of AI, especially topics like RAG, MCP, LangGraph, LangChain, AI agents like that. Okay, in a custom way at a convenient time to a single person. Okay, that is a one-on-one coaching, right? So I had decided to start doing one-on-one coaching. Previously, I announced a free version, like if you do something like if you buy my course or like that I announced. So now I'm starting paid one-on-one coaching. The reason is right now I have a significant free time because in the past 6 months I have been working hard, spending a lot of time for creating my recorded course. Okay, for that recorded course I spent a lot of time, created a lot of tutorial videos. You can see them here, right? Lot of tutorial starting from what is AI, understanding AI basics, best practices and tips for using ChatGPT and Gemini, famous and useful AI tools, Notebook LM, prompt engineering tutorial, AI hallucinations, unlocking the power of AI for digital marketing, creating MCQ quiz using Google Gemini, use Google Gemini to earn money online, Twitter promotion using Google Gemini, prompt Gmail Docs Drive with Google Gemini, Google Teachable Machine, the easiest way to train AI, machine learning versus deep learning, the ultimate list of AI tools to explore in 2025, sample conversation with ChatGPT app, Google AI Studio tutorial, creating subtitle files locally using OpenAI's Whisper model, Python for AI developers, training a simple TensorFlow AI model with Google Colab, Scikit-learn, AI jargon for beginners, Hugging Face tutorial, deploying an AI application, example AI chatbot on Hugging Face Spaces, TensorFlow playground explanation, RAG retrieval augmented generation tutorial, Google Gemini Gems, getting started with Google Gemini API, ChatGPT creating marketing images, AI agents tutorial and simple AI agent demo using LangChain, AI chatbot tutorial, LangChain context memory plus Streamlit UI Hugging Face deployment. Computer vision using YOLO and RoboFlow, MCP tutorial, LangGraph tutorial with simple demo. So almost it's covering very basics of AI, like what is AI, that kind of stuff, and AI tools and AI developments, okay, and the latest AI technologies. Okay, so almost it this recorded course with that videos will be giving like some strong foundation for learning AI, right? And apart from these tutorials, videos, it has a lot of ebooks like Unlocking AI, Mastering the Art of Talking to AI, that is prompt engineering, Mastering SQL, Unlocking Google Gemini, Python for AI developers, Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG, Emerging AI Trends in 2025, AI for Entrepreneurs, Mastering Agentic AI. So 9 ebooks. That ebooks also covering from starting from single things like unlocking a beginners friendly guide. So like mastering agentic AI. Okay. It includes RAG ebook also. All are full-fledged ebooks. So basically I put lot of effort for coming up with this AI course, and I listed this AI course in many places here in from blog, this QPT blog, right? blog.qualitypointtech.com. But it is not having any separate course delivery mechanism. It is just for listing here, and if you make the purchase, I will be giving access to my rajamanikam.com site, which is hosted at Gumroad. Okay, that Gumroad, there also I'm selling there. You can go to Gumroad for some reason if you want to buy it from there, because I use it for primarily for affiliate marketing. So suppose if you want to earn money, you can promote this course and you can earn 50% affiliate commission. Okay, if you want more details about that, you can contact me. We can discuss detailed way. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is I put lot of efforts for creating that course and for listing it in various platforms like my blog, this rajamanikam.com, Gumroad site, and Udemy. So that course is there and it's getting good ratings. That is my name, Rajamanik, Rajamanikam. Here, A for beginners. Okay. It got good rating, right? 4.5 ratings from like significant number of people, right? 18 ratings. So it's a good thing. So what I'm trying to say, I did all the groundworks. Okay. I created the course, I listed them, and the courses got good ratings. So now I need to start the sales. Okay. So for that, various approaches. One is affiliate program. Okay. And that affiliate program, I recruited some affiliates, but they are not that much active. So I thought of exploring about running paid advertisements. Still, I am running very small scale PPC campaigns. But I feel for this price range, running paid advertisements may not be that much way. So I would like to organically get the traffic. So for that purpose, I am planning or exploring various ways. One such way is running webinars, free webinars, paid webinars, and live courses, and these kinds of free live sessions. A lot of things. A few days back, I did around 4.5 hours of free like that. Um, uh, Almost starting from a basics to up to LangGraph, MCP, that kind of topics I covered. I tried to cover, but even that time period, 4.5 hours, I couldn't fit proper way. That is the reason why I started my paid webinar for only for targeting Gen AI, like limited topics like RAG, that will be for people who already know something about fundamental of AI. Okay. Or maybe in separate webinar, I may talk like very basics. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say is I did all the groundworks. I did the learning of AI, going through a lot of articles and discussions to understand what are the things are important, what are the things are not that much important. I mean, a lot of the things are hype, like overhyped things are there. So I did my hard work to segregate those things, and I am much familiar. Okay, but I cannot be expert in all the things, right? AI is a very huge field. Okay, so I'm just focusing more on RAG and AI agents, that kind of stuff. Okay, and computer vision also previously I had some interest, but it needs a lot of computing resources things. So it's just I put hold on that things. Okay, but anyway, for tutorial purpose, for teaching purpose, it's okay. Okay. I have plans for creating or coming up with some kinds of products also. That things I will be doing in parallel. But right now, as the next step, I would like to promote my products, right? Especially the AI courses. Okay. So for that, I am exploring various ways. One such way is, as I said, affiliate. So if you are interested in earning as an affiliate, contact me. Another way is doing webinars. So coming Saturday, I scheduled one webinar. You can join that, but that is paid webinar, okay? Because I'm doing advertisements, promotions for that. So though my intention is just to spread about to my videos and courses, for doing that also I need to do advertisements, right? So for that I'm just doing both things, free webinars, paid webinars. But the coming Saturday, that webinar is that will be paid webinar. Okay, So but very low price only. So as I said, I said very low price only. So you can, if you are interested, you can join that. That will be like more useful for you, because you can interactively discuss with me. Okay. So the next step is, again, that some people, they may be hesitating to talk in a group setting, right? So and they need not be spending time. They may be busy. They may not be able to allocate many hours, right? They may not be waiting for other people's discussions, sending other people. In that case, if you are in that case, one-on-one coaching will be more useful. Say, for example, if you are already a developer, if you want to know something about a RAG, how to implement it effectively, or if you are stuck somewhere and you need guidance, in that kind of stuff, that one-on-one coaching will be more relevant. So I would like to do that kind of one-on-one coaching frequently now. Okay, but from my personal perspective, that is not that much good, because in case of recorded course, it's one-time work. I have to just record the videos, and I can sell it any number of time. In case of webinar, again, I have to compare to recorded course. It's a bit time taking one. I need to personally present the webinar, but I have to do one time. Like even 20 people are joining. For all the 20 people, I should be there one time only, right? But in case of one-on-one coaching, I need to spend time for each person. So I may not be doing it in a rigorous way, but as a way of like interacting with the people to improve the quality of my recorded course, I mean self-packed course, I feel it is important and it's the right time to do that. And moreover, I have free time, because I spent almost I completed that recorded course in a good shape, because it's already having 8 hours of more than 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos and 9 AI books. In that case, if I keep on adding more content, it will become very messy, right? People may be feeling that it is not that much useful like that. Okay, so it is always better to like give like only enough information. Okay, if you keep on adding a lot of information, that focus will be losing, right? In case of current things, it is fully properly starting from AI, like what is AI, how it is differing from traditional programming, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what are the AI tools, how to use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, what is prompt engineering, how to properly, and what is like training a model, how to train the model with samples like that. I developed the course in a proper way, and I though there are the actually I developed it in many different time period, right? So I have been working it for more than 6 months. Okay, so that continuity, other things may be bit maybe lacking, but overall it's well organized as of now, and I don't want to disturb that thing, okay, by adding a lot of more content. So what I'm doing is I whatever but lot of things are there. AI is, as I said, very big topic. It's kind of ocean. So I used to personally, I have a lot of questions, and whenever I do these kinds of right now, I'm doing my 4 week live AI coaching for one batch. So whenever I discuss with them, they used to come up with some questions. So all these things, I'm just trying to find answers with the help of ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of tools, and I am putting them in this blog post. Okay, I keep on adding blog post, but later on, I will be updating the good things, very useful things into the course also. That will take less time only, right? So basically, I have some free time now, so I would like to start doing paid one-on-one coaching. Even I explored about start doing a projects also. Suppose if you are interested to hire me for doing a projects based on hourly charges, I can do that. Okay. Um, Apart from coaching, a development work, I can do a consultancy also. Okay, because I keep on going through a lot of discussions, and I'm just improving my understanding about AI, how that best practices are things, right? So if you want to implement AI for your business, you can contact me. I may not be knowing the proper solution immediately, but if you book my time, enough time, and if we keep on doing discussions, and if you provide enough time for me to do a lot of analysis by going through various articles and like in that perspective, I can easily come up with a good solution which will be more effective for implementing for your business growth. Okay, so what I'm trying to do say is now I am planning to spend time based on hourly charges, either for teaching AI, for doing consultancy, AI related consultancy, and uh, AI development. Not only AI related things, I am good at software testing, and I have been working with software testing related projects for many years when I was working with corporates very long back. And apart from that, I can explain the things about running YouTube channel very effectively, because that is what I was doing for many years till AdSense account was built. Okay, so a lot of things I can do one-on-one coaching. So primarily, I would like to focus more on AI related things, because that will be personally useful for me also to my understanding about AI further by talking with a lot of other people also. Okay. So in that perspective, I would like to give some kind of discount for AI related coaching for very limited time. If a lot of people are started using or start using that discount, mean I cannot spend my time for all the people, right? So just to start getting some kind of coaching offers. Okay, so for that I'm just right now I'm running this discount offer. I may stop at any time. Okay, half of the thing. Usual charges are like I already mentioned many times. In case of India, like UPI payment means 800 rupees per hour. PayPal payment means $12 per hour. So as an offer, in case of India, you can just pay 400 rupees. Globally, it will be like $6. Okay, it is very low price, I understand, but for limited time, just to start getting things. And once after establishing the things, and either I will stop doing it, or I will be reverting to the original price. Okay. Uh, so if you have any questions, you can send an email to me. I provided that email ID, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Or you can send a message, WhatsApp message to this number. You can just click that. If you are in mobile, you can send message. Okay, just only message. Don't make call. And here these are the things. Okay, you can even just book 1 hour also. Okay, just you can book 1 hour. If you have any questions, you can just discuss it. But one session should be minimum of 1 hour. You cannot split it. Okay, like 10 minutes, 6 10 minutes, not like that. But if you book 2 hours, you can split like 1 hour one session, another 1 hour one session. Okay, but you cannot split the single hours. Okay, um, that is the thing. Uh, so one session should be of minimum of 1 hour. That is the important thing. Okay, because just starting the session and like switching from one work to another work, that and all will be taking significant time, right? So we need to consider that time also. Okay, so that is the reason why I set the minimum session time as 1 hour. Okay, but that is also that will be the effective time. Then only we can effectively discuss something. But it need not be there 1 hour. Suppose if you take only 20 minutes, that's okay. But that hours calculation will be taken as 1 hour. Okay. That is the important thing I wanted to highlight. Okay. But in case of development work, other things that suppose if it is like not real time, like say for example, you are assigning some AI related task or any kind of work, and I am doing it. I may be doing it first 30 minutes, and then taking some gap, and then taking after 30 minutes something, right? In that case, I will be like combining the different sessions, even if it is 5 minutes. So that is okay. But if we are like one-on-one coaching, In that case, that minimum session period is 1 hour. Okay, I hope I clarified these things. But these are the standard things. Otherwise, it is difficult to set up one-on-one session. Take any question is there, hence, but the thing is going on. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions about one-on-one coaching, paid one-on-one coaching. Um, if you have any questions, you can contact me. I believe I will be able to do the coaching properly. Okay, though I may not be knowing everything, no one will be knowing that I understand that thing. But I will be quickly understanding your problems or your needs, what you are trying to learn, other things. Because I have though I am not having much experience with teaching, I have been working with IT companies for many years, and I was doing a lot of exploring a lot of business things. And in that process, I used to discuss with a lot of people. I will be able to understand what they were looking for, and I can understand the context. Okay, so I believe paid one-on-one coaching will be effective. Okay, and it's cost effective. But if I start doing the paid advertisements, I'll be putting my original price. Okay, so in the meantime, you can make use of this opportunity. So these things will be working based on pre-booking. Suppose if you want me to spend 2 hours, you have to spend that. Maybe you can split the hours. You can also book for 1 hour. After completing 1 hour, you can book for another 1 hour. Okay. So as I said, you can book even for 1 hour minimum. Okay. But the only thing is the one session should be minimum of 1 hour. That is thing. But the whatever time you are going to book, it should be pre-booked. Okay, but after completing that, maybe you can separately book another set of timings. I'm very particular about that thing because I don't want to keep on sending reminders about making payments. Okay, this is the basic things about my paid coach. And I believe if you are willing to learn drag, my paid coaching will be more useful. One-on-one coaching, drag, MCP, LangGraph, whatever I explained webinar. Okay, those things will be effective for you, and I would suggest you to first go through my recorded course. Okay, even if you have some time for attending webinar, that will be good. And at least you should be going through my recorded course, because if you go through my recorded courses, you can easily we can like connect, right? So you will be knowing what are the things I explained in my recorded courses. Once you are going through that, I can understand what are the basic things you are aware of, right? So my suggestion is before booking my time for one-on-one coaching, first go through my limited time offer this for this recorded course, and use that offer. Buy that if you haven't already got it. Okay. So that is the first step. Go through, or even if you already have access to my recorded course, first to go through that. Okay. Actually, people I'm talking with live coaching, though they bought my recorded courses, because I am freely providing that access to recorded course, who are buying my paid live coach. Okay, but they are not spending time to go through that. So that in that case, that the live coaching effectiveness is not that much good. Okay, so same thing will happen with paid one-on-one coaching. That is what my understanding. So better just go through. You need not it is very difficult to read all the 9 books and go through 9 hours of videos, but at least some fundamental things and some basic things. Okay, that will be very useful in through one-on-one coaching. Okay. Okay, that is one type of thing. Another type of thing, very beginners business people. who are willing to know how to use ChatGPT, what is AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning. So a lot of people are having that kind of questions also. So I will be effective, I will be more relevant for that kind of people also. Okay. So if you are such a person, like if you are an entrepreneur or kind of a business person who are interested in knowing about AI, but right now you are not that much aware, because you should be knowing AI, because if you are not using AI for your business, your competitors may be taking your customers. That is what is going to happen. So it is better to know about AI. In that case, if you want me to teach about AI, discuss the AI things, because not only these things, I used to upload a lot of AI innovations related videos. If you go through my previous videos, especially the playlist, artificial intelligence, that playlist, you can understand the things where I spend more time, like going a lot of AI related. So, but that time I was not having any hands-on things. Recently, only 1 year, past 1 year only, I have been working on with the AI projects, especially RAG, that kind of stuff. And recently, that 6 months, I have been creating recorded course, self-packed course. So here, if you are seeing artificial, click that one. It has 350 videos. All are related to AI related innovations or research. That so based on that things, I will be able to understand the upcoming trends also. Okay, so if you are a business person, that discussing that things will be more useful uh, for your business, improving your business. Okay. This one I wanted to tell, like AI quiz. Actually, a few months back I created this, and here you can test your knowledge. Okay, if you are interested in testing your current knowledge about AI, various topics, starting from AI basics, prompt engineering, generative AI, Python, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, data science, LLM, agents. Okay, various topics arranged and you can learn from this chatbot also, a chatbot. I'll be sharing this link to the chat window. Well, uh, sharing this paid owner also. That I shared in the description of the video also. Anyway, I'm sharing here. So fundamentally, what I'm trying to say is, I have I had spent a lot of time in creating my recorded course. Okay, now I am in the process of selling that course. As part of that effort, I am doing live webinars, live coaching, and now I am planning to do it on individual basis, paid one-on-one coaching. Okay, so as I said, all these things are to improve my recorded course, quality of recorded course, as well as to promote that. Okay, uh, that is the main reason. So I may not be doing it for a long time. So if that opportunity is available now, you can make use of that. Okay, and and as I said, I put a lot of effort in creating that recorded course, but affiliates are not that much interest. Not they are not showing that much interest in promoting now. So I mean, I don't know whether it is not suitable for affiliates, or whatever affiliates I gathered, they are not good at promotion. I don't know the real reason behind it. If you are good at affiliate marketing, you can explore that, and you can maybe you can share your understanding with me. But at the end of the day, affiliates are not actively promoting my um, recorded course. Okay, so what I'm deciding now is, because running paid advertisements also not that much profitable, but still I am running just to get some exposure, get reviews, that kind of stuff, right? So that's okay, but that cannot be the long-term plan for selling the AI courses. Okay, so right now I'm exploring different ways. One such way is, as I said, this paid one-on-one coaching. These are all just to give some exposure. Okay, Because as I said, whoever is joining into this one-on-one coaching, definitely they will be first buying my a recorded course, right? Only after knowing about my way of teaching other things, they will be booking my time, because recorded course that over 8 hours of videos, 9 ebooks with a lot of code samples, everything, including everything, is like just 300 rupees in India, $8 globally, right? So it's a very, very small amount. So mostly people will be first buying it if they are satisfied with my way of teaching and like the content quality, or they may be booking my one-on-one coaching. Okay, so that is one way of promoting my recorded course. So I'm just exploring different ways. It is one such way. That is why I decided to spend significant time for doing paid one-on-one coaching. But as I said, if many people are showing interest, I cannot allocate time for everyone, right? So in that case, either I have to stop it or I need to increase the fees. Okay, that is about to pay down on coaching. But right now I have a lot of free time, so you can book with discounted price, that half of my usual hourly rate. Here I mentioned, right? So in case if you are in India, you can book my time just for 400 rupees per hour. Globally, just $6 per hour. Okay, but within 1 hour we can learn a lot of things. Okay, if you are fully focused, and if you if you already gone through already going through my recorded course, other things, lot of things we can discuss in 2 3 hours. Okay, uh, so I believe right now that offer will be going for you, still few people using this paid one-on-one coaching. If I couldn't spend my time to manage all the people who are using this offer, then I may stop this offer. Okay, okay, so it is one way. Another way what I'm looking is selling with resale rights. Say for example, Gumroad has a collaborator option, right? So this say for example, if you are planning to sell affiliate this course, you can buy the course from me with some kind of resale rights. Okay, so you can sell it from your own site or some other platforms. But already I use Skillshare, Udemy, that platforms. It is not advisable to put there. But your own platform or any kind of platforms that are not very popular, which I am not using, then through that platforms you can sell with the resale rights after getting resale rights from me, and you can keep all the profit with you. Okay, but you have to buy the code with resale rights by paying significant money. Okay, instead of this small money for resale, that we can discuss. Okay, I don't have much idea right now. You tell about your platform, other things. If it is completely independent of it's not related to my way of promotion, then I can give the resale rights for lower price also. Otherwise, that we can discuss. Okay, that is one way I am exploring. But my priority way is affiliate program only. Suppose if you don't have any specific strategy or plan to sell the course after getting resale rights, I would suggest you to just join my affiliate program. That will be easy for you also. You need not maintain the course or things, right? You can just earn money simply by promoting the affiliate link. That way you can earn 50% affiliate commission. That is a good thing in that perspective. Okay, so that we can discuss. Okay, that's what I'm telling. I'm just exploring all the ways to promote my recorded course. That is my highest priority, because recorded course margin is very, very low. I put very low price. Other people are selling high prices. They will be able to run the paid advertisements. But as I explained previously, it is my policy keeping my providing quality content, affordable price. Okay, in that perspective, I believe still, but at the end of the day, I can earn more money than them, because I can sell a lot of copies, right? So in that perspective, I'm just starting my sales, and one approach is promoting it through paid one-on-one coaching. So I'm just starting that. And webinar, I already opened the registration. Suppose if you are interested in joining webinar, you can register for this by clicking this link. Okay, if you are interested in just only want to buy the only the recorded course, do it from this first link or by clicking this banner. But if you decide to join GenAI webinar, no need to separately purchase the self-packed course, because I will be giving access to the self-packed AI course if you join GenAI webinar. Okay, and even paid one-on-one coaching also, if you are booking for like 1 or 2 hours, okay, I can give access to my um, self-packed course. But normally people will be coming to one-on-one coaching only after going through my self-packed course, right? So people may not directly willing to directly learn from some random person, right? So first they should be familiar with me. Okay, anyway, if someone is for some reason directly joining us one-on-one coaching, in that case I can give access to my recorded course. Okay. So any questions? But almost I stopped all the free offers. Previously, for getting feedback, I used to give free offers, right, for my course, everything. But now I stopped all those things. So similarly, after some time, I may stop the discount offer also. Okay, so just make use of these opportunities when they are available. Okay, questions are there. Okay. So this playlist, recently I updated playlist. Here I keep on adding all the actually I uploaded a lot of useful videos to my YouTube channel. Recently I did 3 hours of live to talk about AI FAQ. That means explaining the concepts of AI in question answer format. Because I released one ebook, so for actually I started this video just to tell about my ebook, but I thought I started talking about explaining about AI in that video. So I linked that video also here. That will run for 3 hours, and it will be really useful for any beginner. Suppose if you want to learn something, I would suggest first learn this one. Maybe first 1 or 2 videos, okay. But after that, just come to this end 3 hours of FAQ. That will be useful. And this 4.5 hours of free webinar, few weeks back I did that, but that faced some sound audio quality issue. But I have plans to do that kind of webinars in the coming days also. But as of now, you can watch that also. But these videos, I manually recorded that. Like there are any audio issues, I will be replacing. I will be re-recording. In that way, all these other videos, the quality will be good. Okay. So you can like check all these videos based on your interested topic, or go through one by one. Okay. So here I added my video tutorial links, and here I added free links to download my ebooks, AI related ebooks, unlocking AI, RAG, SQL, agentic AI, Python for AI developers. That kind of books I provided there. You can freely access it, but again limited time. Whatever offer I am providing, it is limited time to check various things, whether people are interested in that, which book they are showing interest. So to understand something, I am offering that kind of free offers. Just make use of that offers when they are available. And one additional offer is here I spend some time to like put all these things. But if people are coming to this page, then only it will be useful for them as well as for me also, right? So to bring the people here, I am offering this one also. If you share this post on any social media and then contact me with a screenshot, yeah, I will be giving free access to my recorded that self-back AA course. Okay, that offer is there. But again, all the offers are limited time offer only. Whenever and I used to mention that, but even if I'm not mentioning that, it is all the things are limited time offer only. Okay, in case of this blog post, once after the offer ends, I will be removing these things. It is available means that offer is still there. But in case of video, other things I cannot change, right? So there I will be providing these little things, limited time offer. Okay. That means after some time I will be revoking or stopping that offers. Okay, that original fees will be okay. Okay, apart from ebooks, apart from videos, I provided a lot of useful links also. That links you can check here. Last line, right? And find more AI. That is in separate page, but I provided a link to there. Okay, here you can find a lot of useful links. Okay, that come to this playlist of videos that for beginners to learn AI. In that page, you can find ebooks links and free ebooks as of now, and these video tutorials links, and another link to AI learning resources. Actually, I talked about AI learning resources in my previous live. If you want to know about that, you can check that video, yesterday's video. Here you can see that video. AI learning resource. 2 days back, I did that live. Okay. And another thing is the past few months since I was spending my time for developing my AI course, recorded course especially. I haven't spent much time in promoting my channel. Okay, another reason is right now I don't have AdSense account. Okay, my AdSense account got disabled, so I didn't spend much time, or I didn't focus on my channel. Okay, but recently, as a strategy of promoting these things, I decided to give importance to my channel. Okay, that is the reason why I frequently do these kinds of webinars or live, um, YouTube live, that kind of stuff. And I believe that. As I am putting that kinds of effort, started putting that effort based on my analysis about YouTube will start giving some kinds of traffic. Okay. So I believe in the coming days, my channel can get a lot of traffic, and just that pattern got started. Now that the number of subscribers are getting increased, I believe in the coming days it can get a lot of traffic, because already my channel has 7,000 subscribers and 5,000 videos. Okay, I put a lot of videos, but the problem is, as I said, I keep on changing the concept or content type. I started with some hobby thing, right, initially, and that time I tried to share my knowledge and understanding about software testing, web development, PHP, SEO, that kind of information. Then I started focusing on trending topics like Google Doodle, that kind of highly searched videos. Okay, that kind of stuff I focused, and then I started uploading emerging technologies news, latest science and technology news videos. That I started doing in a professional way. I thought of doing it a full-fledged business, connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. But because of that AdSense issue, I put a hold on that mission. But recently, I just so I made it clear, right? Because of all these things, because of frequent changes of audience things, because then the 70K subscribers, some of them are joined because of some of them were joined because of my SQL videos. Some of them were joined because of the trending videos. So that all kinds of people are expecting different kinds of videos. So if I am putting technology video, non-technology people may not be liking that. Okay, so YouTube algorithm stopped recommending my things. But recently, I fully focusing on AI related videos only. So I think that the algorithms will be updating that things, and in the coming days, mostly my AI related videos can get a lot of traffic. Okay, so in that case, I would like to monetize the traffic. One way is I am promoting my recorded course, my paid one-on-one coaching, my webinars. That is okay, but that is very limited level, right? I cannot keep on telling about my own products, right? It will be boring to the audience. So in that case, I would like to do paid promotions also, like sponsored advertisements, paid placements, that kind of stuff. Suppose if you are interested in promoting your products, you can contact me. But I will be doing very filtering, I'll be interested in promoting genuine products only. So you need to provide your details like your website, LinkedIn profile, your product details, other things. Okay, so if it is satisfied for me, I can promote your products and services through my videos. Either you can uh, like uh, uh, use it my newest videos for promoting your products, or if you want, in the description and comment section of that my older videos also I can promote your products. It's based on how much you are willing to pay, other things. But as I said, since my traffic is low, I am not expecting much. Okay, but with some minimal level for spending my time to create your product placements, right? So that is one thing that I already talked about that previous video. Once place your products and services on channel. Okay, not only this channel, I can show it on my websites, the course.net, like that also. Rajamanikam.com, I cannot show the advertisements. That is Gumroad based site. Cannot add any kind of job. But I can add in that other sites, the course.net, my blog. But this particular live session is to tell about my paid one-on-one coaching. If you have any questions about that, you can ask me. Okay. As of now, no questions. Time for questions. Talking about my other, like a few months back, I created this AI quiz. I already had the link to the chart, right? So just if you want to visit this page later on, just remember that qualitypointtech.com/quiz. Okay. Here you can test your knowledge in various. It's not about testing the knowledge. It's about creating curiosity. By attending this, you will be getting some curious things about AI, and you will start learning about it. You will be start exploring more about the things if you don't know and exact answer for some questions. So it's a way of creating some kind of interest in learning AI. Okay, so you will be learning AI in an interesting way. That is the purpose of this quiz. And apart from that AI quiz, you can learn AI from this AI optimized chart also. Okay. Okay, just go through my recorded courses and my videos, and if you feel that my way of teaching is suitable for you, and if you are confident that I can be helpful for teaching you AI or doing AI projects for you, just contact me through my email ID or WhatsApp message. Let us discuss about that. First step is this one, and if you are my regular blogger or my YouTube subscriber, just feel free to share your experience or feedback about those things so that I can improve it in the coming days. Okay, but I will be able to do step by step. As I said, already explained in one of my previous live sessions. This blogger block, I am still using very old template, right? So I cannot immediately change everything that template, that look and feel everything. But I personally comfortable in these things. So as of now, it's working. But if you are seeing any major issues, alignment issue or any page loading issues or something, just let me know. Yes, how to proceed further that way. And other than that, if you have any specific questions, if you need more details or anything, just let me know. Like I used update the blog with more content based on the questions I received. Here, this question, one person asked me roadmap for MBA student. MBA student asked me. With the help of ChatGPT, I created it, and based on all your feedbacks, I will be improving further. Okay, and like similarly, if suppose if someone wants to have roadmap for doctors or something, maybe I can use it. Okay, I can create it. So all the professionals and businesses should now understand AI. That is what my understanding. But the way they can implement AI in their professional career, that may be varying. That IT people, they are tending to adopt that very quickly compared to other, right? But in the industry, in case of industry, a lot of law related AI chatbots and AI agents are there. Okay, that's a complex thing. Okay, but like what I'm trying to say is the adoption of AI among various industries across various countries, globe, everything is happening in a different pace, right? So that is completely different topic. But just I can generalize something. What are the things we need to learn that way? Okay. And another person asked about how to train AI models from scratch. I created an answer for that also, the help of ChatGPT. Okay, that and this question I had, how that double star various places in the Python, right? So initially I had that kind of questions. So I believe someone else also will be having that question. So I thought of adding that. Like a lot of people, one person from software testing long back asked me about how to use AI for the software testing. So for that I did a lot of analysis. I come up with this harness AI in software testing. Harness AI to evolution software. Okay. Here in case of software testing can be used in case of traditional testing. Let's say at coverage, the human error. It's like the purpose is testing. Again, the testing itself, the human mistakes can happen, right? So that kind of steps, that automated things try to help, right? I have been working with a lot of automation things, just like QTP, quick test, very long back that I was. So what I'm trying to say is, automation is having some advantages, especially AI. Once after the AI comes into the picture, the automation becomes very powerful. So in that case, uh, that is it. Here it can create test cases automatically. A lot of examples. So I initially I created a draft in ChatGPT. Then I analyzed a lot of other things and linked that services. So our they are for test case generation. Can analyze the code, historical test data, and user behavior to generate new test cases automatically. So because of this new test cases, it improves the coverage and a lot of different services are there. I put services. If you know any other services, good services, add them through the comment section of this blog post. Okay, people will be knowing that also. Similar to test case generation, test optimization, prioritization, for that also are there AI power. Anomaly detection, predictive analysis, for that also there. And for continuous analysis. It is open source. Open source is in the sense it is somewhat risk free, right? There is no need to fully depend on proprietary things. It can help us to save money also. Okay, so if you are into software testing, just to go through all the details. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, this question someone asked, so I created it. Suppose if you have any questions, if you are asking, Then I will be coming up with that answers by spending some time, and I will be putting in this. And someone asked a test triage, how to use a for testing triage. For that also I created one management triaging. So you can check that thing. If you want to learn here, you can learn lot of things. Long back, I added a lot of software testing related things. That's what I'm telling. Some period I focused on software testing, web development. Now I am fully focusing on AI. So AI also I added a lot of blog posts starting from this, and a lot of time article of things. So just to go through that here, apart from this testing development, also a lot of articles were there, but that were created long back. But certainly, I put a lot of effort creating articles related to. So if you have any questions, I will be giving more priority to AI related questions. If you have any questions about AI, I'll be spending time for creating answers. Okay. Even you can ask your questions comment section. I'll be giving answers. And if you are interested to learn from one-on-one coaching, contact me by using the discount offer. That is the purpose of this live. I wanted to announce that to this live. Okay. And if you are interested in joining GenAI webinar, which I'm doing posting on coming Saturday, you can do that. Suppose if you are not able to find the links, I'm just referring various things, right? So you can come to my blog and you can find those things. Anyway, if you are not able to find it, just any comment video, these kinds of live videos, add a comment. I will be replying to that. But the best part is just to make note of my email ID rajamanikam.a@gmail.com and send an email to my email ID. That will be more effective because sometimes I may be missing to notice the comments. Okay. Okay, so if you want to earn money as an affiliate, for that also you can contact me. I will be adding you as an affiliate with a 50% affiliate commission so that you can easily earn money by referring my ebooks and my software softwares like timesheet software, that kind of digital products. And here goes this registration for GenAI webinar. So all these things, for all these things, you can get a 50% affiliate commission. Uh, if for someone with a lot of followers, you can easily earn money. If you are starting new, you can learn many things from u- implementing or promoting my products as an affiliate. Okay. Okay. Let us discuss the things later on in the upcoming sessions.